If Prizepicks Withdrawal not working or failed, I'll show you what you need to do to fix this problem. First of all, you can try to change the browser or the device. For example, if you are using your computer, you can open Prizepicks with a different browser and you can try to withdraw your money. Or you can also take your mobile phone and go to the Prizepicks app and try withdrawing your money from your mobile device. Or if you're using the mobile device, you can try to use the browsing version of the site. So this might help you, but if this is still not working, you can try to delete your cookies. You need to open your browser settings. Just go to your browser settings right here, and in the search you need to write cookies. You need to find third-party cookies. Then you need to click on this see all site data and permissions. Then in the search you need to write Prizepicks and you need to clear your Prizepicks cookies, guys. After you will do it, you can restart your browser, go back to your Prizepicks account, and you can try to withdraw your money. But if this is still not helpful and you're getting the error, that might be because your account doesn't meet some Prizepicks requirements, guys. So you can try another thing. You can directly contact the Prizepicks support and ask and tell them about your issue, that you can't withdraw your money, and they will assist you and help you and tell you the reason why you can't withdraw your money. If you don't know, you can scroll all the way down. Right here you will see live support. Click on it, then click on live support right here and chat now. You will directly contact to the Prizepicks support. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.